and that's with the dynamic island display. Now with the dynamic island display, essentially we have the ability of utilizing it a little bit further. So I have my Spotify application here, and in this case, basically anytime you have any sort of application, not every app is utilizing the dynamic island display right now, but the ones that do, the basic layout is this. Essentially, if you're playing a song or something and you swipe up, you can see how the application kind of goes up into the island display. So you'll know an application is suitable if it goes up. If I open up iMovie, for example, you see how the application will just swipe out. It'll just kind of hide back in the background. Well, applications that utilize that, dynamic island display will swipe up. Now here, what you can see with any application that'll utilize it, you can basically see that it'll show you, I guess, the art cover here and the music right there. Well, if you want to go ahead and get more into this information, you can tap on that display like this, and I guess it'll open up that application like this. But I guess you can also, I guess some other applications have the ability of just opening up that song. So it looks like it's still a little finicky for some people, but I know with Apple Music and some other applications too, you can go ahead and pretty much whenever you see something with a dynamic island display, you can go ahead and pretty much just tap on it and you should be able to get more information from it. Another example was screen recording. So if you go ahead and screen record something, right, you can see the dynamic island display will go ahead and change up. So now it will go ahead and screen record. Well, just like what I said before, if you want to get more information from it, tap on that dynamic island display and you will see more information. So even though this isn't like a music application, I'm still able to click on it and still gain more information from it. So that is the main thing. With that dynamic island display, it gives you more information and you can tap on it to gain more information from it. So with that being understood, you can pretty much go into any application and then pretty much kind of utilize that dynamic island display if you actually need it. So it's growing. There's going to be a lot more applications that utilize it, and I'm actually really happy for it. So just get used to tapping it and then kind of, seeing it from there. But most of the time it should be closed with a lot of different applications that are out there.